Rebel Gang, listen, if you're seeing me, man, this is my probably umpteenth time shooting this review. The first few times I shot it, I was like, oh, it's a good review. But as a digital creator, man, as a content creator, as someone who makes videos, just as someone who makes videos in general, if you feel as though, if your reaction to your video is, it was a good video, it wasn't a good video. And so I'm starting over right now. Guys, I'm bringing that energy. I gotta give you that heat, man. Like, I can't, like, the shoe that we're reviewing, it deserves my energy. It deserves my energy, guys. I can't reiterate that enough. This shoe is bananas. Like, I'm not even saying that because you can find bananas in your local grocery store, hence the shoe that we're reviewing. But guys, this shoe, I have to do this shoe justice. All right, so Rebel Gang, you already know what time it is, man. Video up, sit back, relax, and let's get to it. What's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy CJ McGill, man. I am back with yet another video for you today. Rebel Gang, Rebel Squad, Rebel Crew. Guys, listen, before we even get into the video, man, formalities out the way. Follow the boy on Instagram and Twitter, man, at MacTheRebel. For Twitter, throw an underscore at the end of the name, guys. And make sure you like this video, comment on this video after you watched it in its entirety, and make sure, most importantly, Rebels, new Rebels to the channel, first off, guys, welcome. And for those of you who have not decided to hit that subscribe button yet, guys, go ahead and click that bad boy for it, man. Go ahead and join the most lit family on all of YouTube. So, Rebel Gang, Rebel Crew, Rebel Squad, a family of rebels, whatever, guys, listen. I'm actually holding this shoe down here like a baby right now. This shoe that we're reviewing today, guys, first off, it is bananas. It's fire. It's dope. You know, everybody and their mama was trying to get it, guys. I'm actually in a couple of sneaker group chats with some of my sneakerhead friends. You know, we help each other get sneakers on a personal level. For the foot, of course, we do resell. Also, I, you know, resell myself. But when it comes to a shoe for the foot, guys, whew, man, when you get that shoe, like that shoe, it's hard to really look and be like, dang, bruh. Like, it's like one of the, guys, this shoe is legit. Like, it's so legit, I'm having trouble really getting my words out to you. That's how fire this shoe is in hand and in person. I see myself wearing this shoe with so many outfits, guys. But anyways, Rebel Gang, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Let's go ahead and talk about the shoe for today, guys. We are doing a review and having a discussion on the super limited, super amazing Nike Dunk Low SP in the City Market colorway. Ooh. Rebel Gang, let's get into it. Rebels, now that we're back, guys, listen, you already know what we're talking about, man. You checked out B-roll, you saw the first half of the video. Holy crap. Guys, look, listen, this shoe right here is a problem, okay? Now, I'm gonna be honest, when it comes to Nike sneakers and their app, and the app crashes every now and then, sometimes people's payments don't even get processed to even get a chance to get a shoe. But when it comes to that draw, that 10-minute window for you to enter for your shot to win a shoe, I have never, Rebel Squad, let me reiterate, I have never, ever won a sneakers draw. The 10-minute window where you put in your information, you got plenty of time to enter, choose a size, and you just sit back, wait for that buzzer to hit 0, and then they let you know if you won or not. I've taken an L on those things every single time. And it got to the point, guys, where I've taken an L on every dunk I've ever went for. I'm talking Brazil's, Syracuse, Kentucky's, Chunky Dunky, Strange Love. And it's just like, man, I give up. Like, I'm tired, like sneakers, the draw is just ridiculous. So I'm like, okay, so here's what I did, guys. I got on my phone, I look at my phone, I'm like, all right, bet, the shoe came out, cool. 10 o'clock hit, 10 o'clock Eastern time, it hit. I'm like, boom. All right, so I'm on the app, I look, it's like boom, boom, size 12, which is what size I wear. And I'm just like, okay, this is cool. I already know 9 minutes and 30 seconds from now, I'm gonna get an L, man. That's just gonna be the end of it. Better luck next time. I'll just try again another day. Guys, when that notification came across my phone and it said, congratulations, you were selected, the shoe is yours or something like that, I looked, I'm like, Yeah, all right, that's some BS. Maybe they said the shoe was almost yours. Here's this big L that you always take. And then I get a confirmation from my bank and it says X amount of dollars purchased at Nike. And I'm like, oh, really? Wow. Did I really just hit on City Market dunks? Did that really just happen? Squad, it happened. And your boy got his hands on one of the most limited dunks of the first part of the year, one of the most limited shoes that are gonna drop this year. Let's go ahead and talk about this shoe, man, because these details are insane. So if you do not know the backstory behind the City Market Dunk Low, okay? Guys, the City Market Dunk Low pays tribute to Nike's usage of raw materials as they crank them out for usage, okay? And on the shoe, you see different nods to like nutrition labels, grocery stores, and things like that. Things that you would see on the in the urban market as far as groceries is concerned. Like they have nutrition labels, and it even pays homage to the Blue Ribbon Studio, which is one of Nike's design legs in their business, okay? And so the bag is just really dope, guys. So it's almost like it takes you on a journey through a grocery store. And the grocery store in this case is Nike, and a lot of their items that you can go purchase are the things that are incorporated in this shoe. Like you have really dope things, guys. Like you have homage to the Blue Ribbon Studio, like right here. You have that translucent check. It's almost like you put the things in the grocery cart and here are all your items, okay? You have clean before wearing. Is that what that says? Anyways, but yeah, guys, different elements all throughout the shoe. It's almost like they took like packaging and just put it on here, but the stuff is sturdy. Like this canvas material, this cloth material, this like little bit of leather right here on the sock liner, on the edge right here, and on the back, it's really well done. Like it is super, super soft, guys. On the inside, it does say thank you for caring. Okay, so I guess caring about the environment, caring about groceries just in general, I'm assuming. And then on the tongue, it's almost like you have a nutrition label, okay? So it does say Nike 1980. It has the letter N, it says letter, and it has the number 19, of course, the year 1985. And of course, you do have those two Nike checks, red and blue, okay? And let's see, and you have a recycled bottom, okay? Really sturdy bottom too, it's not real soft. This shoe is built to last, guys, all right? Let's see what else we got. I was thinking that maybe one shoe was gonna be completely different from the other based on the pictures that I saw, but they are actually identical from left to right, okay? Well, there are slight differences, but it's not gonna be like anything super noticeable where it's like this part was gonna be red and this one was gonna be white, this shoe was gonna be yellow, this shoe was gonna be blue, or anything like that. But there are, of course, some differences, as you can see. So when you hold up the toe boxes, you see mostly red, blue, and yellow writing right here. You know, you got some green over here, guys. It's just a really well-balanced shoe. The laces are really cool too, and they're like you have that rope part of a grocery bag, like a really sturdy paper grocery bag. So you do have rope laces, okay? Not leather, wax, or anything like that, or traditional laces. These are rope laces, so they are built to last as well. And of course, you got that good old shoe insert, which doesn't really mean anything because it's just regular paper. And then you do have a traditional Nike logo on the inner sole right here as well. So then, Rebels, all right, let's see what else we got to talk about, man. The box, let's go and get the box out of the way. The box, there's literally nothing special about the box. It's a your traditional red and white Nike Dunk box, okay, with the logos on it like so. The tag does read Nike Dunk Low SP, multicolor. That's it. Okay, we're done with the box. Now, guys, the thing that was really dope to me was when Nike, I thought this was like a gimmick. They said that there is a pouch shoe, all right, there's a pouch tongue on the shoe. Now I knew that wasn't a gimmick, but it has a grocery bag inside of it. I'm like, hey, full of that's some BS. Ain't no grocery bag in here. Guys, they legit put grocery bags in the shoe. So if you unzip, I'm not gonna take mine out. Well, actually, I may take them out and replace them with something. So when you unzip the tongue, okay, so you unzip the tongue like so. Uh-oh, we jammed already? All right. Dang. Come on now, guys. All right. Let's see if we can do this again.
A few moments later.
There we go. Okay, so got that tongue open. Guys, there is like legit a grocery bag inside. That is wild, man. All right, guys, I'm already taking it out now, so I might as well open it up and show you guys what exactly is going on. All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like together, okay? Guys, this is a bag for each shoe. This holds the oh, no, this is a grocery bag. Like I can legit use this and go shopping. And it says, thank you for carrying on the, yo, Nike. All right, man, you guys did your thing on this one. You guys did your thing on this one. Like little details like this, man, is what the sneaker game needs, guys. This is what it's all about right here, man. Oh, and on the bottom it says, have a Nike day. Oh, Nike, guys, the details. Oh, the details. That's just amazing. That is amazing. Nike, yo. Can we please get more concepts like this, man? But Nike, can we also get more size runs of shoes like this too, so we can all get them? You know, shoes like this. Now, you know, Jordan 1s, I get it. You want to keep those limited, whatever. You know, some special collab shoes like a, you know, Sean Witherspoon Air Max 1 or Ben & Jerry's Chunky Dunky collab shoes like that. I get it, man. You want to keep that limited, but shoes like this, guys, where every sneakerhead would really appreciate it. Let's step the number up on these, man. Let's like truly step the number up on these, okay? All right, bet. All right, guys, so I did get it back in. All right, so the bag is back securely in its place. Rebel gang, Rebel crew, Rebel squad, y'all listen. This has been a review, guys, of the Nike Dunk Low SP City Market. You guys let me know what y'all think in the comment section below, man. Let's go ahead and let that light dim again. And let's go ahead and let you guys get a good look at that bad boy one more time, man. All right, just so well done, Nike. Like, guys, I cannot stress enough, Nike, how well you guys did on this shoe, okay? You guys killed this one, man. Like, killed it. Like, look the sturdiness. Like, the sturdiness alone is crazy. The translucent check is bananas. Y'all really truly did, okay? But anyways, Rebel Squad, you guys already know what's up, man. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think about the Nike Dunk Low in its City Market colorway, man. Let me know if this is a shoe. Guys, did you hit on the draw? From what I know, I don't know anything about the stock on these. Like, I don't know how many pairs of these were made. But guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Nike Dunk Low City Markets, man. Let me know what you guys are going to do if you hit on this shoe. Are you gonna go ahead and pay resale? I know right now for this shoe, last time I looked at a size 12, it was going for $480. So, you know, guys, definitely make sure you get your hands on it before that price shoots way up, or it may drop a little bit. You can get your hands on it for a cheaper price. But if I'm being honest, I would probably wait. I think these will drop a little bit just because I think the hype is gonna wear down on them a little bit. I don't see these going, my bigger sizes, 10 and up, I don't see these going for any less than like $350. So if these drop down to $350, guys, I would strongly recommend grabbing them because it is a shoe. It is a summertime shoe. Because of all the different colors, man, guys, you can do a lot of things with this shoe, okay? So Rebel Squad, you guys already know what's up, man. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Matt the Rebel. Links are in the description of this video. And guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button to the channel and join the most lit family on all of YouTube. So Rebel Squad, listen, man, it's your boy CJ, man. I'm checking out with another video. Guys, I'll see you in the next one, and we out. Peace. Oh, gotta do that.